Alright, what's going on, guys? Gonna do a short little video, let you know what's going on. Well, what I'm doing so far is basically just going through our property, getting a lot of the brush and stuff like that in the trees and things like that cut down. Getting a lot of that stuff cut, getting a lot of the weeds out of there, making the property actually look presentable. So I will be doing I'll be doing a review on this. I have used it. It's the Southland 22-inch field trimmer. Okay, I have used it. I've used it a couple of times, but it's the places that I've used it, it's a little bit hard to gauge of how good it really is. I mean, it's working fine. I think it's actually working fine, but the property, I mean, if you can see out there, I did that last night. Got rid of that whole, well, that whole corner there, right there. The tough thing is there's a whole bunch of dirt that just kind of, I don't know, it just pops up and it's just a pile of dirt, and they're kind of just randomly spread out through the whole thing so that the area is not flat, so I can't just ride the thing right into the flat. I've got to move it and do all kinds of freaking crap with it. So it's working great, but I'm thinking when I go over here to the other side of the property, I'll get a better I'll get a better idea of how good it is, because I'm pretty sure that side of the property doesn't have any of that crap over there. So I'll be doing a review on that really quick. As far as how it's operating, I think it's operating pretty good. As far as the MGB, this is what the plan is. I'm going to try to get to this. Actually, I'm not going to try. I am going to get to this weekend, which means I'm going to move all of this stuff out of my way. I'm going to get all that freaking duct tape and all that crap off of it, and we're going to do that damn door skin. We're going to get that door skin done. So I'll have that door skin video up. I'll probably move a whole bunch of this stuff out of the way probably Friday. I'll probably do the door skin Saturday. So hopefully I can have that video up Sunday or Saturday night. So we will do that. Probably order the other door skin, because I can't remember which door skin that I got, whether or not it was the left or the right. And the door skin is in the trunk, which I have not gone into yet. So that is going to be the update on this. And while we're doing actually I really don't need to clean it, move any of that stuff that much. I just really need to pop the door off. But I do have to get up here, and I do have to look through all my parts, because I'm pretty sure the door skin that I got, I have to replace the metal piece that's inside that bolts to the hinge. So gonna take this trimmer over, go over to the other side of the property, get some grass cut. Well, get some weeds cut. I'm gonna look over there and probably trim some stuff, but we'll get it done. And hopefully I can get a majority of that stuff over there, so once all that stuff's cut down, and then I can get this over there and actually start maintaining over there, which would be great, because once I can start maintaining over there, the only thing we have left to do, still got to build that retaining wall, But while I'm building that retaining wall, I'm going to build that probably fairly slowly. So I'll probably be doing both the retaining wall and the MGB at the same time. I did also get another truck. The reason for getting this truck, and I've done a couple of things on it. I just got 4 new tires put on it. I mean, it's got 277,000 miles on it. I threw new tires on it. I don't care. But I had to replace the top ball joints. Did not get anything on camera or anything like that. I wanted to get everything done real quick. Upper lower radiator hose, flushed out the radiator, oil change, plugs, wires, and got to figure out why the check engine light is on. Right now it was running lean. It is not running lean anymore. Now it is running rich. So, and you would rather have your vehicle run rich than run lean, but you know, that's another story. But the reason why I ended up getting this was because to get a load of gravel or a load of topsoil or any type of rock or anything like that was going to cost $250 per load. So when you think about it, 250 bucks, you're probably going to need at least 3 loads. That's 750 bucks. For 750 bucks, you could find something out there that you can use. So the idea of this is to actually, you know, get the gravel, you know, get the dirt, get the soil, get the wood and stuff like that for the retaining wall, and then go ahead and sell it, you know. And since it's got new tires on it, the maintenance has basically been done on it. I mean, it's actually a pretty decent truck. The only thing that's really that kind of sucks about it, I mean, one is the check engine light, but the other thing that kind of sucks about it, or that's tough on it, is it's got a dent right there. That is the only dent on it, and the driver's side seat is a freaking mess. I mean, you could, when I first got it, you could smell the sweat and the, you know. So maybe I did go online to see whether or not anybody has interior for that. There were a couple on Craigslist. I mean, you got to drive out of your way to really actually go get it, but maybe before I get ready to sell it, maybe I'll replace that seat and then throw it online, sell it. You know, I mean, hopefully somebody will end up getting a good truck, because I mean, it actually runs really well, in my opinion. I think it runs actually pretty good. The guy that I got it from, he got it from a guy that said that he let it sit all year. He let it sit for a year. I also replaced the fuel filter. So I mean, injectors might need to be cleaned. I filled it up, so that was probably the first time it's ever been filled up with good gas in a long time. So I'm just going to use it for what I need it for, and then go ahead and sell it. You know, the county that I'm living in doesn't do any emissions tests, so you don't even have to worry about freaking getting an e-check on it or anything like that, so you can kind of drive it with that on. But just wanted to give you guys an update on what was going on, and I will give you an update on the Southland field trimmer. I'll take the camera over there, show you how far I got, what I've done and things like that. So time to get back to work. You know. And I don't know, I may end up doing a video. There's been something that's been, you know, really bothering me. I don't know whether or not I'm going to do a video on it or not, but you know, we'll see. So I'm going to do put up this video, do my review, and then right after that review, I'll either have another side video of the thing that's kind of just been boggling my mind, and we are going to get to that freaking door skin video. We are going to put that door skin on this weekend. So we will go through that. I don't know how long that video is going to be. The video is probably going to be a long video. So I can't find, yeah, and that's the thing. I can't find, since our move, I can't find the editing program that Joe sent me. I'm sure it's around here somewhere. It's in a box somewhere. I don't know where it's at. We'll find it somewhere. So if I can't find it, which I don't know whether or not I'm going to be able to find it or not. If I can't find it, the whole video will be on there. And if you want to skip ahead through the video, it doesn't bother me at all. So, alright guys, take it easy. Right, Oz? Yeah, he's waiting for his mommy to come home. He'll go for a walk tomorrow. Alright guys, take it easy. Peace.